Welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to do a short video on a old body style Ford tailgate latch. What you're going to need is a T27 10mm, the handle. Mine is a Dorman 77052, and a set of some flathead screwdriver of some sort, and a set of pliers. And with those tools you'll be able to see how to replace this latch. Pardon the stuff that's in the bed of the truck, it's just going to be hard to unload with the tailgate up. So we're going to deal with it, but right now I'm going to go ahead and take all these Torx bolts out. There's, looks like about 8 or 10 of them in there, and that'll let us get to the mechanism from the back side. So that's the plate removed. Now that it's, take a look at it. Now that I've got it apart, I can see that the rust has taken its toll on it and broke off one of the arms on the part here. So I'm going to go ahead and order a new handle. Well, hopefully that'll fix it. I'll bring you back when I get the new part. It's a day later. Amazon delivered my part. It's a 77052. It's $20. And you can see the difference, the broken part. The tab, oops, sorry, there's a tab here, there should be a tab there. These two handles are sort of side by side, and suffice it to say that this other one is also rusted in two. Well, I'm having a little fitment issue here because the gap is too narrow inside the part there, so I'm going to have to grind that open a little bit. I've got a long nose burr. This is why I'm a slow worker. Get out of my garage. Go. So all that is a simple mechanism, pushes down on these tabs. That works really nice. So the back plate will be done.